What up, gang? Boo Boo 617, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got a bunch of boxes here. That's because I'm on my way to attempt something. I'm gonna attempt to put on the lip kit. First things first, though, I got to start with the front lip. I'm gonna start with the front lip. Front lip. I've seen not necessarily it done, but I kind of understand it. So let's get to it right now. Let's see. All right, guys, so I pulled out the lip, right? And this is what we're doing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 indentations that's where I believe we should be drilling so that we could put into the factory bumper. Now, let's go down here, see what we have. See, we have these bolts. So I'm guessing I'm gonna try to line these up to see if they work so that I don't have to drill into the bumper itself. If these don't line up, then I'm gonna have to drill into the bumper. So let's see what we got. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out this stud here just so I can see the width of it, so that then I could drill a hole and see if it'll reach. Let's see. As you can see, this is the stud slash screw that's in there from factory. So I'm gonna drill a hole into the lip. Let's see. Now, needs to be a little bit bigger. As you can see, it goes right in. Now I'm gonna see if I could put this inside and if it'll work. Let's see. All right, so I'm having a little issue putting that in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drill all the other ones. And remember, this has a plastic cover. So once I'm done installing, then I could take it off so it doesn't scratch. So I'm doing all the holes now. All right, now what I'm doing is I'm pretty much unscrewing the bolts that I think are gonna line up with the lip. So I'm gonna do this one, that one down, 2 and 3 more down there. So that's what I'm doing now. All right, guys. So after a bunch of trial and error, come to the conclusion that the factory bolts or screws do not match the lip, which means we're gonna have to line everything up and make brand new holes. All right, so what I'm doing now, I'm still taking off all the factory screws here, because basically what I've noticed is that if I leave these on, they protrude. Let me try to bring the camera a little bit over here. So as you can see, these protrude, so when the lip goes on it, it's gonna hit. So I'm gonna have to take all these out and then make new holes. Wish me luck. All right, guys, so I'm a little defeated. Everything I've tried so far hasn't worked. What I wanted to do is use the factory screws slash bolts that are in the bumper already. Then I want to drill into the bumper, but looks like we're gonna have to drill into the bumper after all. So gotta do what we gotta do. So we're just gonna screw it in. So this is the plan. Look, check it out. So I have placed the H&R box down there with a little toolbox on top of it, just to hold up the lip. I centered it so that now, and I measured both sides, so that now I could just go ahead and screw on these sides with brand new screws and brand new holes. So here we go. So this is what I did. I got flustered, right? I said, you know what, forget this. I used the same hose that the lip came with, and I lined everything up with the box like you see, and I used a screw, a washer, and I made, with the same hose that the lip already had, I made new holes into the bumper. That's all she wrote. Check it out. All right, so you can see here, got the screw with the washer. I did 5 of them all around, exactly where the holes were. That's it. Now, all I gotta do is take this plastic off, because we are done. So, to take off the plastic, I'm taking off all the screws now because it's not coming out. But because we already made the holes, it's super easy. So, let's take it off, put it back, and that's it. Screw it in. Get the drill. All right, guys, and we are all done. And this is the grand reveal. This is what it looks like. She's dirty, so don't mind how dirty the car is, but check it out, check it out, check it out. Perfect alignment. Let's go. Looks way more aggressive. If I took anything away from this experience, is that if you're gonna do this in your backyard, just like I did, with simple tools and things like that, skip everything that I did in the beginning. Take all the factory screws from the bumper, or not even, two on the right, 2 on the left, and then 1 in the middle. Take those out because they're gonna interfere with the lip. And grab a box or something, put it in the middle so you can line the lip up to the right, to the left, and to the center. And get some screws and washers, and you screw it in. And that's if you're doing it on your own in your backyard. If you're not, take it to the shop, have them do it, have them put some rivets and all that good stuff. But came out fucking great. It's perfect. So with that said, the next step is gonna probably be the side skirts. Stay tuned to that. Boo Boo 617. Yeah.